It's been a minute since we've had a rainstorm like this. It's just in a Village Inn. To the left, that building used to be a strip club that was used in Breaking Bad in the first season. Now it has a collapsed roof. Impressionistic beauty of what is. I just made a run from Village Inn to my car. And so this coffee's tasting real good. I want to sit here and finish it. It'd be funny to do a book event or something in like a chain restaurant. Like, I go to this Village Inn all the time. What if I did like a literary reading here? I wonder what it would take to rent a place like that. Boston artist Paul Richard did a big art debut gallery event, but it was in a Kmart. I thought that was really funny. He was like, I want a different audience. I do want to be the sort of artist whose work can bridge subgroups that, like, people from the mainstream can find an accessible route in. All rainstorms must be documented and filed away with the Department of Rain.